Ready to effortlessly master the freeze frame clone trail effect in CapCut with just one click? Let's dive in. Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to achieve the freeze frame clone trail effect with just one click in CapCut. Open CapCut and tap on New Project. Now select the video. Tap on the video and click on Styles. Swipe it till you get Scene Swap. You will get two options. Choose any one of them. I am going with Leave Clone. You can even adjust the interval between two freeze and first freeze time according to your requirement. And this is how you can keep freeze frame clone trail effect in one click. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.